Well, by now you should know that a chip will catch on fire because of the oil's in it. But what would happen if we lit a whole bag of chips? Or better yet, what would it look like if we did 2 bags of chips? Let's have some fun. Okay, let's light them up. The oils really should be making this go. Oh yeah. Because that hickory wood is smelling like a barbecue out here now. I don't know if you can hear, but there's a little bit of a sizzle. I didn't add anything to these bags. No lighter fluid or anything, it's all just from the oils. Hey, that's fun. Oh yeah, see that going? There's a chip I threw up there from the intro. I mean, not threw up, but put it on top. So yeah, just a quick video that those bags of chips you get from restaurants can really go up. So I don't know, maybe another fire starting idea if you want to go a little bit harder than just 1 chip. Take care. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.